Hey, so if you're hosting on Booking.com and want to attract more guests, yeah, adding high-quality property photos is one of the most important things you can do. In this guide, I'll show you how to add property photos on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, log into your Booking.com partner or Extranet account. Now open the property dashboard for the listing you want to edit. Find the section called Property, Photos, or Photo Gallery. Click Upload and choose photos from your computer or phone. Upload photos for bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, lobby, pool, and all important areas. Use bright, clear, and professional-looking photos for better guest interest. Set your best photo as the main cover image because it appears first in search results. Once everything looks good, save or publish your updated gallery. Some images may take time to appear if Booking.com reviews them first. And yeah, that's it. That's how you add property photos on Booking.com to improve your listing and attract more bookings.